There's more breaking news coming in. The Delhi police team continues to stay in Swati Maliwal's residence. It's been approximately 2 hours. They are still there at Swati Maliwal's residence and they're expected to leave in a short while from now. So what's happening there? Has Swati Maliwal given a statement? Has she agreed to file an official complaint on a day when the party has shown its support to her assaulter, Bibhav Kumar? Tejshri will be joining us in a short. Tejshri, Mohit and Priyanka are joining us live. Tejshri is reporting from outside Swati Maliwal's residence. Tejshri, for the last 2 hours and a few minutes, Delhi police teams are still present there. Tell our viewers about, there are top officers of the Delhi police who are currently present there. What are you hearing from your sources? Is Swati Maliwal, has she finally agreed to file an official complaint?
Well, it was 1:56 p.m. when the senior Delhi police officials had reached over here at Swati Maliwal's residence, and still they are inside. Now it is not clear that whether the complaint is being recorded, whether the statement, I beg your pardon, whether the statement is being recorded or not. But yes, this is the visuals that we are giving you from within the premises of this particular residence. And in fact, what we are expecting is that Delhi police team can leave shortly, anytime from this particular location. And in fact, now there is a probability that if Swati Maliwal gives a statement, then Delhi police will be taking forward the formalities. They will be filing a complaint and an investigation will begin in this entire matter. Now, if investigation begins, and as you rightly pointed out earlier, that if Delhi police starts its investigation, so certainly they will also try to get the CCTV footage of that particular day of 13th May on Monday, when this particular incident took place inside the residence of Chief Minister. And in fact, what we were being also told is that the time was approximately 9 a.m. when, Swati Maliwal had reached the residence of Arvind Kejriwal, and then there was talk, then there were talks going on. What we were also told by our sources, that there were some financial talks going on between them, and then such kind of incident. And also there was one more important thing that our sources told, that Swati Maliwal was asking time to meet Arvind Kejriwal, but then she was not given the time to meet Arvind Kejriwal. When she reached over there, then she was not allowed to meet. Then this kind of ruckus had happened.
Yes.
Some discussions on financial matters also had happened. So, all in all, as of now, complete details are not revealed. They will only be revealed once when she gives a statement, complaint is filed, investigation
and like
begins,
you just mentioned, Tejshri, as per what your sources told you, the financial angle also becomes key at this point of time. Priyank is also reporting live, and he was the first to, in fact, tell our viewers yesterday about Swati Maliwal being present at her official residence. And we were also first to get you the visuals of Sanjay Singh, who was sent there as an emissary of Arvind Kejriwal, possibly to broker a truce pact. But we are all seeing what has happened. Priyank, you track the Delhi police very closely. What are you hearing from your sources in the Delhi police? Has Swati Maliwal agreed to give a written complaint, and has Swati Maliwal agreed to go ahead with the investigation in this particular assault case?
See, Sagrika, there is no official confirmation, but looking at the senior officials being present inside the Member of Parliament's residence, it's quite clear that the anti-terror unit of the Delhi Police, which is Special Cell, the second, if you look at the hierarchy, he's the second most top rank officer of the Delhi Police Special Cell. Additional CP, Mr. Pramod Kushwaha, being present there, it's quite clearly showing that there could have been some threat perception which could have come up in the name of Swati Maliwal. That's why the Delhi Police Special Cell unit is present there. On the other side, Ajinta, who is the additional DCP rank officer, who is a female officer from the Delhi Police North District, the district which is responsible to probe this particular allegation case, being present there is quite clearly establishing that the Delhi Police would have almost completed their statement written by Swati Maliwal. So that is something which is happening on the third floor of this particular building. We know it for the fact that for the good 48 hours, there was no particular movement since the time Sanjay Singh left from here. It was quite clear that he would have come up and given the message. But the manner in which Aam Aadmi Party has blatantly tried to protect Bibhav and portray him as the closest aide of Arvind Kejriwal, because hardly Bibhav's present in presence in the press conference in Lucknow could have been avoided. But it appears that Aam Aadmi Party has blatantly done that because they wanted to show that they are not going to take any kind of action against Bibhav Kumar, which was assured by another member of parliament and spokesperson, Sanjay Singh.
Right.
So at this moment, the Delhi police was waiting that if Swati Maliwal withdraws this call, things could have turned up ugly. But looking at what happened in Lucknow, the Delhi police came very clearly that now Swati is not going to go back because the Aam Aadmi Party has tried to shield Bibhav. That's why they had this kind of courage to come up
Right.
and record a statement, which is happening
So for
right
2
now.
hours and counting, there are top officers of the Delhi police. One like Priyank mentioned from the specials, special DCP, additional DCP is present currently at Swati Maliwal's residence. All eyes, the entire media contingent is there. But let's also tell our viewers about the hypocrisy of the Aam Aadmi Party. Arvind Kejriwal, silent, once had referred to Swati Maliwal as Delhi ki Lady Singham. Sanjay Singh, who held a press conference and confirmed that Bibhav misbehaved with Swati. Today, when that question was asked in the press conference on justice for Swati Maliwal, watch what Sanjay Singh said.
एक बहुत ही निंदनीय घटना घटित हुई जिसके बारे में आप सबको बताना चाहता हूं। कल सुबह अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के आवास पर स्वाति मालीवाल जी मिलने के लिए पहुंची थी, ड्राइंग रूम में इंतजार कर रही थी। इस बीच विभव कुमार जी वहां पे आते हैं और उन्होंने स्वाति मालीवाल जी के साथ बहुत बदतमीजी की, अभद्रता की।
केजरीवाल जी आपके साथ घूम रहे हैं, उनके लिए क्या कहेंगे?
हाँ बोल रहा हूँ।
संजय जी आपने बात कही थी।
हाँ मैं बोल रहा हूँ,
अपने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में
बोल रहा हूँ। एक सेकंड बोल रहा हूँ। सब लोग, पूरा देश हतप्रभ है, दुखी है, आज तक पीड़ित है। मणिपुर के अंदर एक कारगिल योद्धा की पत्नी को निवस्त करके घुमाया गया। सैकड़ों महिलाओं के साथ दरिंदगी हुई। भारत के प्रधानमंत्री खामोश रहते हैं।
Now, Times Now confronted Aam Aadmi Party netas on their silence on justice for Swati Maliwal. Our workers not just ducked our questions, but also misbehaved with Times Now's reporter. Take a look.
स्वाति मालीवाल भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग सांसद है, सांसद का काम किया था। सांसद ने क्या कहा? आप बात करने दीजिए। आप विभव से बात करने दीजिए। आप विभव से बात नहीं थी। आप विभव से बात करने दीजिए। स्वाति मालीवाल सांसद है, क्या कहा? स्वाति मालीवाल सांसद है, क्या करो? भारतीय जनता आरोप लगा रही। आपको आरोप पता है? आप आरोप बताइए। आप आरोप बताइए। मैं बता रहा हूँ, स्वाति मालीवाल जी से भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने दौड़ा कर जंतर, आप धक्का मत दीजिए। आप प्रज्वल रवन्ना पर मणिपुर के ऊपर बात करनी थी ना, ढकेलिए नहीं। सांसद स्वाति मालीवाल क्या कह रही है? सांसद स्वाति क्या कह रही है?
सांसद प्रज्वल रवन्ना के लिए मोदी जी ने
सांसद स्वाति मालीवाल,
सांसद प्रज्वल रवन्ना के लिए वोट मांगा। अरे मुझे अच्छा लगा।
नहीं आपको अच्छा लगा? स्वाति मालीवाल पे जो हुआ अच्छा लगा?
आप सवाल,
सांसद स्वाति मालीवाल पे जो हुआ अच्छा लगा?
आपने सवाल किया,
सांसद
महिलाओं पे आपने सवाल किया, अच्छा लगा।
धक्का दे रहे
महिलाओं पे सवाल,
सांसद स्वाति मालीवाल पे जो हुआ
मुझे अच्छा लगा कि
स्वाति मालीवाल अच्छा लगा।
नहीं, महिलाओं की बात आपने
स्वाति मालीवाल पे हमला हुआ,
महिलाओं की बात की, इसलिए अच्छा लगा।
आपको अच्छा लगा?
अब मैं
स्वाति मालीवाल पे हमला हुआ,
हाथ तो लगा रहा हूँ, हाथ तो लगा रहा हूँ, हाथ तो लगा रहा हूँ, हाथ तो लगा रहा हूँ।
क्या करें आप?
हाथ तो लगा रहा हूँ।
आप क्या करें?
ये अरे मोदी जी प्रज्वल रवन्ना के लिए वोट मांगे, तुम हाथ लगाओगे।
अरे आप आरोपी क्यों बचा रहे हो? स्वाति मालीवाल ने आरोप लगाया उनपे। स्वाति मालीवाल ने आरोप लगाया है, आप धक्का दे रहे हो। आपके वर्कर धक्का दे रहे हैं, आपके वर्कर धक्का दे रहे हैं, आपके वर्कर धक्का दे रहे हैं।
ये देखो भाई, टाइम्स नाउ धक्का।
हटिए, जाने दीजिए।
मोदी जी सवाल नहीं करना चाहते हैं।
हटिए ना, जाने दीजिए।
मेरा हाथ ऊपर,
रास्ता आप रोक रहे हैं।